Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can download a zip format of any website and convert that into a landing page so that you can also make it yours and you can continue running ads on Google ads or Facebook ads, Instagram ads or whatever. So today's topic is all about this, so let's get started. Of course this is a thumbnail by Canva, so let me close it. Let me tell you, I'm also connected the address to United States so that I can see some of the landing pages with LivePure, and this is ClickBank marketplace, so to see the purest offer. So let's see, this is the the pure LivePure product from ClickBank, and if you want to make it something yours, I mean this is the completely product page and you cannot duplicate this one. You have to find a shorter version of it so that it work best for you. So I'm connected to United States. Most of the people running ads on the United States because the conversion rate of United States tend to be better than India. That's why connected to VPN. So let me search for Live by LivePure. Okay, so it's the official website is live-pure.com, and the LivePure that I'm going to buy should be different. Alright, so let's see. LivePure, it's a sponsored one. So LivePure Smart. Okay, LivePure supplement, isn't it? It's a supplement, by the way. LivePure supplement. Okay, because LivePure is also a water filter in India. That's why it's got confused. So now we can see our first one is sponsored by some Google Shopping. The second one we have LiveBody, LivePure. Okay, this one is something that we can be able to check it out. Let's go it LivePure Age LivePure. Okay, so this is a very simple website, as you can see, and it's the same product that we have mentioned over here. It's ClickBank product. It's the official website, but this website is containing a lot of things which we don't need. We need something very casual, very normal, that tends to work better, that tends to convert better. So over here on this website, what you need to do, what a user need to do, they will just going to select their age only. So let's say I'm 25 to 34. Once I click, this will be redirected to the official website of LivePure, containing the hop link or the affiliated link. That's the same thing that you want to convert, that you need to do. Okay, so these are all the links, and everything will be charm. Everything will be work charm if I show you the tutorial. So get ready. So what I'll do, I'll just going to copy the website URL and come to this website called Save Web to Zip. Okay, just enter the web page, setting up forms for receiving leads, copy mobile version of website, rename all assets, simplified download. If you couldn't copy this site in the standard way, check the box to try download the site using a different algorithm. First we will going to try to extract by not clicking anything. We're just going to download the entire website by just using the tool called Save Web to Zip and see if it is working for us or not. As you can see, it's downloading 38 files. It's all HTML, by the way, and you know the form of HTML. You can do it, you can upload it in any server. So we go, we have 3.3 megabyte of files has been downloaded by this website, and there you go. We can try to rename it like LivePure, but edit more. The next tutorial I will show you how to edit this file, but let me just try to see what is inside. So in the inside we have index.html. Let me extract it here. So extract all by Windows, and there you go, we have extracted. We can close it. We can see that the another folder Inside we have index.html. This is the main file. As you can see, it's working charm. Okay, now the next step, we are going to go for Netlify. This is the perfect platform where you can able to host your site statically. Okay, so it's completely free. It's better than GitHub Pages, because I done my research on this thing, which is better GitHub Pages or Netlify. So I tend to, so it seems to be turned out that Netlify is better, because I also used Netlify by my own and saw that it's very fast and you don't have to do a lot of things. So all you have to do is to go to sites and click on upload. Okay, so let me drag my files over here. Alright, so the files is in downloads, and this is the LibPure. So either you can just drag your zip file over to the Netlify dashboard, or you can also drag the folder as well. So let me try to drag the zip file over here, so that it will unzip, it will start working by its own. Alright, now at this point of time, you just want to disconnect my VPN and turn it off. I just want to also turn it off from this side. Says VPN running on the background. Now this is done, and hopefully it will work. Damn, it is working pretty fine, and you don't need any software like httracks. Let me show you what is httracks. So this is httracks over here. It's a website copier. The problem with the httracks is that it's copy complete website. It will take some time, but it also shows the watermark of httracks in the initially when the website is loads for the very first time. And your purpose is to only extract the landing page. You just need to only make changes on the landing page. So you don't need the complete website, but it also shows the watermark of httracks. So what I'll do, I'll just want to uninstall this, because this is unnecessary software that I want to remove from my computer. So let me remove this. So at this point of time, I can see that this website called SafeWeb2Zip is working quite fine with me. So I will just save it as a bookmark, and also in my, so it's just got saved in my bookmark list, and it works best. So hope you guys find this tutorial very helpful. Now if you want, you can also change the URL of it, and if you want to make another changes, you can upload another file, and that will be start reflecting on the main URL. Let me show you. Say you want to change something, you go to site overview, you go to domain setting, and you say add domain. This is your main domain if you want to add your main domain. But if you want to edit the site, it's called LibPure Pro. Okay, so I can be able to use it like this. And now if I click here, you can see that it's libpure.pro, LibPure Pro Netlify.app. So it's a shorter version of it. Now if I again drag something else, another files to this URL, this will be work fine. How? Let me show you. This is the same website we are on in. If we go to site site overview, and let's say if you want to again go to deploy, we can again upload this the files if we need to change. So as of now, this is the thing that we don't need to do, because if we click somewhere, it will take to the LibPure page with its affiliate link, and you should want to change the affiliate link to yours in your condition, so it will be work best. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In my next video, I'm going to discuss that how you can extract any website, any landing page into zip, then how you can edit those zip to make it yours, and you can upload a Netlify, something like Netlify, which is completely free, and make that yours. And in this point of time, you don't have to pay for domain name for the lifetime, and you don't need to pay for the hosting for the lifetime, until and unless it says that your where is that your bandwidth for 1 month is completed. 100 GB. 100 GB is a lot. I mean, if you're running 100 GB is quite a lot. If you fail with, if you complete it with that, you can go for the pro plan, but it's a lot. I mean, 100 GB is very lot. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you inside my next one. Until then, take care.